Currently, we have 1,000 acres national standards Noni fruits plantation base, 330 acres organic Noni fruits plantation base, and 25 acres fermentation base. So we can supply more than 5,000 tons Noni enzyme juice every year. There are 8,000 square meters of workshops for cleaning, sterilizing, and fermenting, etc. The internal air purification is in grade 300,000. We have the production line of the closed type, full automatic asepsis filling for glass bottle in the length of 45 meters and asepsis filling line for self-standing aluminum foil pouch. Also, we have the multifunctional, super concentrated equipment and professional equipment for bacteria and microorganism testing. From the Noni seed selection, growing seedlings, planting, fermenting production to the product sales and OEM, this forms a completed industrial chain. Based on the reasonable production overall arrangement, the advanced technology equipments, the business concept of green, healthy and organic, and the corporation vision of like every family knows Noni, we are qualified because of profession. The perfect product is due to strict needs. After Noni fruits picking, the Noni fruits will be delivered to the processing factory within 12 hours. When Noni fruits arrive at the factory, they will be processed through 8 workshops, including cleaning, crushing, putting into barrel, fermenting, squeezing, filtering, sterilizing, and filling. And after 5 times quantity inspecting, the Noni fruits can be processed into the final products for ex-works. The strict production processes and quality control makes the business concept of green, healthy, and organic perfectly reflected in the products. The main products of the corporation are Noni enzyme juice, Noni enzyme powder, Noni enzyme compound fruit juice, Noni concentrated enzyme juice, joint Noni slice, and Noni tea, etc. Our Noni products have been exported to America, Korea, Japan, Russia, Africa, Benin, etc. in order to provide the safer, healthier, and better Noni enzyme juice products to our domestic and overseas customers. The corporation cooperated with the doctor team from Academy of Tropical Sciences of China. We founded the Noni Products Research Institute to customizing the better taste and multifunctional formulas Noni products for different people in different areas. Meanwhile, we constantly use exhibitions and activities to recommend and develop our own brand.